We're here in Berlin at the Block Show Europe, and we're here with a very interesting company. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, hi. My name is Steve Safronov, and I'm with Byteball. We are distributed ledger technology based on different technology called DAG. We are already up and running in operations. We located all over the world. We got a community of around 30,000 people, and we seems to be a good alternative to what it is on the market. So, and what we have and what we have offered to the market seems to be accepted and up and running and developing.
Okay. Can you tell something about the concept? Because you said it doesn't make any use of blocks.
Yes, the main difference what we have is we looked at blockchain, which is brilliant. We think that the entire initial idea was great, and we start thinking what we can do, where we can add value to this technology. So we looked at DAG as an alternative because it's got a couple interesting philosophical ideas, add-ons, you can say. Number one is you can post your transactions easily for free. You don't have to wait for the miners. You don't have to rely on the miners. And that is important. I mean, in real life, we're already posting our transactions in offline, paying VATs. The question, why would you need to pay in crypto VAT? That's kind of question mark.
Yeah.
So we decided to change it a little bit, and it seems it's working. Another very important economical thing that we have achieved is our scalability and cost of transaction is scalability is very high. Cost of transaction is very low. For any transaction, you're just paying a fraction of a penny, which is very good for small transaction, which is opening new opportunities for the market as a solution.
So when you compare with other concepts, proof of work, proof of stake, etc., you do a totally different concept.
Yeah, it's a good question. Yes. Yeah, we look at that also. We see that proof of work miners, and I described that, you slowing down the system, number one. Number two, you increasing the cost, which is a little bit burden for the business model or economic model. Proof of stake is a good concept, but it's also got some flaws to it. And one of them, if you have a native coin issued on your platform, and then you got altcoins, and suddenly your native coin is diving in value, and the other one is growing, you can be tempted to kind of interfere with that, and we can see it's a risk, future risk, obviously. But these things might happen if the bubble take place, the burst of bubble take place. So we decided to go another way. I mean, the time will prove whether we're correct or not. We have so-called witnesses. These are basically the organizations with very high reputation, and obviously they will not risk their reputation for such thing as overseeing the transaction posting.
Okay.
So
Yeah. So actually, it has some advantages over the current systems. What are actually the next steps for you this year?
Our main goal is to tied up crypto to the real world. So we're doing a lot of applications that would help ICO community and real merchants to implement some solutions where they can play with crypto and see if this is of value to them.
So can you give an example of, for instance, can I pay with crypto at a shop via your technology? Is the
Yeah, we got a very active community member in Milan, Italy, and he has built already the network of around 114 stores. There's small restaurants, family businesses that are already trading it. It's very interesting, very exciting to see that. He seems he's a very successful guy. You can say that he built the ecosystem where all the elements of it are kind of incentivized to move on and use crypto. The other thing, we have a pretty good application for insurance. We tried betting, so we're running different cases, but obviously the market will decide whether it's usable or not.
Are you thinking of an ICO sale, or it will be some kind of your coins are like utility coins actually?
We look at our coin as a payment coin.
Payment coin.
Right. So we didn't do ICOs, but our platform can offer help to ICOs. We have different services like KYC, ML, credit and investor check. Obviously, these are outsourced third-party thing that is integrated in our platform. So ICOs can actually they can start running ICO within 24 hours.
Wow, that's pretty quick. To conclude, how do you see the market evolve? I mean, the cryptocurrency market?
Well, blockchain is dominating, and obviously that has been proven as not stable in terms of currency, but as like stable, improved environment for building businesses on top. We see that people are learning, and this market attracting more and more regular folks.
Talents, maybe?
Right, absolutely. And we can see that there will be some evolution to the market. It's hard to predict. I mean, you can speculate, you can say this and that will happen, but it just our goal or our kind of approach, if you deliver the value to the user or the business, and the business will accept it, that's a success.
All right. Sounds very good. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and maybe some last words to the viewers in the Benelux.
All right. If you have chance, have a look at Byteball wallet. You can see how interesting and exciting to play with it, and you can see some values inside. If you find it applicable to your business goals, that'll be great. If not, you will learn more from us. It's a new thing and very, very educational.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes.